They were looking at me. They were looking at me like I was crazy. You saw them? They all get confused, son.
Hello? Hello, hello, hello. I think it's good. Oh, try to look at, like, you know, like how a regular driver would. Your side mirrors, rear view, your steering wheel, all that type of stuff. Tranny. It's point of view. You know what I mean?
I'm good. Ready?
Yeah.
This feels weird.
Feels weird, yeah.
Wait, there's no audio in this? Or are you gonna take the audio out?
Nah, audio will be included.
Is it recorded?
Yeah. You take your thing, Joe? Yeah.
Do I have to move my head a lot? Just keep it straight.
You can move, like, you know, look around. Just to give people the point of view. You know what I mean?
Gotta put gas later.
Dude, the handling's pretty good.
That was funnier. I slammed that one.
Third gear drop. To complete the look, it needs some paddle shifters.
Yeah.
How's it feel having the thing on your forehead?
Feels weird.
Yeah, it's kind of weird because you got all that weight. You know what I mean?
You've never been in one of these? No.
In one of these? 2012?
Yeah.
Nah, I haven't not. This is the first time?
You're the first?
Oh, yeah. So I've been on, because the only newer Civics I've been in is that a 2010 Civic. But that one's only like that's the 8th gen.
Yeah.
Because this is the 12th, what to say? This is the 9th gen. Yeah, this is 9th gen. And then I've only been in the 2013 Accords. Not in this one, though. This one's the newer model year I haven't been in yet.
What's the speed limit here? 30?
I think so.
Because that thing takes pictures.
Does it?
Yeah.
So there's a speed trap back there?
What's back here? I think it's that one.
Oh, that box? No way, does it?
Mm-hmm.
I can see the lens there.
I think it's that one.
Really? I've been driving fast by those things all the time, dude. I didn't even know.
Unless I took it off. The man behind the camera.
White Durango. I've never been through these back roads. In these lanes right here.
You get lost in those, bro.
Probably not.
You can't get lost, bro.
I'll find a way. As long as I got a tank of gas.
It's looking good.
Yeah. Point of view. Valero. Shit, I think. Oh no, I haven't been in this part yet.
You haven't been here?
On this part, I don't think so.
Right.
I'm lacking, son. Chill, dude, for real. I think I would seriously get lost.
You don't know this?
Heck no, man. Yeah, you see that EG hatch?
EG hatch.
Yo, you know it's legit when it's got the fart can and it's got the Tennessee plates.
You won't sell that.
You know?
Nah, I'm just saying you probably won't sell. Those things are going up in price now.
Man, they all are. Even if they're rust buckets, they still ask for a high price.
I'm asking $6K for it.
I know what I have.
You won't find another one underneath that. That's funny.
Quarter panels already rusted. Oh man. Who taught you these back there, your dad?
No, myself. I used to work down there. Got roll cheese style.
This is pretty cool, dude. I do like the tents too.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it's starting to bubble right there.
Huh?
It's starting to bubble there too. See that?
That's the old one.
Oh, the old.
I never took those off. Because
They mint?
it passed inspection with it. Or just these, but these didn't pass inspection.
I always wonder what is that little piece for? These little pieces right there.
More visibility.
Is it?
Yeah. Damn, that EG hatch behind us, son.
You won't rev?
Did they pause?
Pause? Yo, I never heard anyone say pause like that for cars. Is that what you said? Pause? Yeah, I never heard that before. Yeah, he's behind us too.
Smoke.
Yo. I don't think. You know, that's how you always win a race? By just flooring it, not letting know the other person they're racing.
I gapped you. Look, huh?
You won't gap that CRV?
Look that, huh? Look at this shit. That bimmer. I know.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Man, that car didn't want to wait. You didn't even flinch. Civic's vtec's in here to kick in. Chill, vape game.
You want to record it while I'm in the store?
Sure.
Sure, it'd be better that way. Like you're in an open parking lot. Not me.
Next to the snow.
Or do you not want to go?
Yeah, we can do that.
I mean, we could always go somewhere else.
If you know a more secluded place.
Try to
Yeah.
raise this next.
RT? Nah, dude.
This one. It's the dude that's like him. 392. There.